Some departments have a permit for a surface lot or a ramp. I will show you how to assign an employee to a department surface or ramp permit. Once you are logged into your account, you will click Manage Assignments on the main home screen or click Assignment on the left-hand side of your screen. You will then see the various permit types that your department has. The department ramp lot 10 permit is what this department has. You can choose to state that it's a state-owned vehicle. So if it's a fleet services vehicle and you have the ramp permit for it, you can choose yes, and then you will click Assign Vehicle. You'll type in the plate number and then the make of the vehicle and click Assign. State-plated vehicles are super simple and easy. That is all you need to do. It will automatically state Iowa as the state-plated vehicle. If you wanted to assign this permit to an employee, then what you'll do is type in their last name or Hawk ID, select the person, and this person is already a permit holder. So her license plate is already in the system, and if she needs to update that information, she would need to go to her personal parking portal to do so, and then it will update into the departmental parking portal here. If I wanted to add another person to this permit, if Carrie and Sarah are switching off, what I'll do is add Sarah. She does not have a personal permit, so I will need to add her vehicle information. This is what you will need to get from the employee. And then click Assign Employee. If she has a second vehicle, you can add another vehicle to her account. You can add up to 3 vehicles onto a permit. So now both of her vehicles show up. If you need to update any vehicle information for Sarah at any point, you would just click this tab. For Carrie, she would have to go into her own personal parking portal to update. You can assign as many employees to a permit as you would like, but note that only one person can park at one time. If 2 or more people are parked and are listed under the same permit, then a concurrent parking ticket can be issued to both vehicles parked. It is important that employees are not parking at the same time, so we suggest only having one person per permit on the account. So I'm going to go ahead and remove Sarah and only keep Carrie on this permit. If you have multiple permits like this account and would like to add an additional contact person to be able to update assignments to your department permits, please watch the video called Adding a Secondary Contact.